having a power drill to do restoration and any renovation to your Hot Wheels diecast cars is a big help. And as you can see here, it is a handheld power tool, a magnetic extension bit with the Phillips head screwdriver bit, and also the two drill bits that you will need to get the initial cross or the initial marker away from the bottom of the Hot Wheel car, and then the actual drill bit to make the hole for the screws after you get done repainting your car. I just thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and look forward to part 3 and 4 talking about renovation and restoration for your Hot Wheel cars. Thank you so very much and have a nice day. Thank you.